How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to pull the tint off of a window. I've got this BMW E90 project car and it has some really old tint on it that's starting to bubble up in places. It does not look so good. So I'm going to just pull it off and get the glass cleaned up. I'll show you just how easy it is. Today I'm going to be using a steamer and a razor blade, and that's basically it. I'm just going to heat the tint up, get an edge started, and then slowly pull it down. And then if there's any excess adhesive left over, I'll clean it up with some isopropyl alcohol. But hopefully most of it comes off when we pull the tint off. The very first thing I'm going to do is actually tape up the leather on this door. I don't want the steam and the hot water to mess this leather up, so I'm just going to put some painter's tape over that, and then we'll get to work on the tint. Let's go ahead and get started. These are the razor blades I'm working with. These have the safety rounded edge. This makes it a little bit easier to get under the film without actually cutting it. And really all I'm going to do is you can see I've got the window dropped a little bit so that I can get to the top edge, but I'm just going to heat the top edge with some steam and then eventually work the blade under. I'm going to kind of fold the blade and pull. And then once you get it started like that, you can kind of go work by hand. Now it's hot. Obviously mind your fingers here, the steam's quite hot. I got the window up now, so I'm gonna get part of it all the way off. There we go. So let's take a look and see how much adhesive we have left over. It's looking pretty good. You can see I've got a little bit of adhesive right here. So I'm going to clean that up with some isopropyl. I just want to show you how easily the isopropyl takes this off. So you can see the adhesive right there. And it's gone, so not much to it. You can see on this one, I've actually got 2 layers of tint. The under layer didn't come off with the top one. So I'm gonna keep at it. It's kind of hard to see, but a little bit here, a little bit over there. So I just got the remainder off. They're little tidbits. It's kind of a pain. Ideally, you don't want that, but sometimes it's hard to avoid. Back glass is a little bit different than the others, less access. I can't actually pull the headrest out, so I'm just gonna try to work. There's not much room here, but I put some microfibers down. Fortunately, it is peeling enough already that I have a good place to start. So I'm gonna start here. You can see just how dirty it makes the glass look having that tint on there, but it's bubbled up. There's little nicks in it in different places. So it may not come off clean, but I'll show you as I work. So after pulling off one layer of tint, I actually had another layer of tint on this back glass as well. This is really thin stuff, and it's taking a lot of heat to get off in large pieces. So the steam, I don't know how you could do this without steam. Got to get it super hot to get this off. I've actually got some nitrile gloves on now to protect my hands a little bit. It's getting hot in here, but it's coming off. I just got done cleaning the glass. Finally got all that second layer of tint off. The steam was the key, and I actually was using some plastic pry tools to scrape as well. That was pretty helpful, but everything is all done. No more bubbled up tint. So that's it, guys. All the tint is off. This is actually the first time I've ever attempted to pull tint off, and it's really not that hard if you have a steamer. The 2 layers of tint on the back glass were kind of a pain because that second layer is really stuck on there and it's really brittle, but the heat made all the difference. So if you have any questions about what I was doing today, post them up in the comment section. I was glad to help. Thanks for watching, guys.